Hello everyone, myself Ketan Bhavsar, Assistant Professor in LJ Engineering College, Ahmedabad. In this session, we discuss about neighborhood image processing. In previous session, we already dealt with gray level slicing, digital point negative, contrast stretching, thresholding, dynamic range compression, bit level slicing, and power law transformation. So these all methods from the point processing, and with help of the point processing we try to improve the quality of image. In today's topic we discuss about neighborhood image processing. In previous session we already discussed to improve the quality of image we use two type of methods, point processing and neighborhood processing. In previous session we already discussed 7 types of point processing methods. So in this topic or in this session we discuss about neighborhood image processing in detail. Now neighborhood image processing. Now first question arises in our mind, what is neighborhood image processing? Neighborhood operations simply operate on a large neighborhood of pixels. Then point operations neighborhood are digital image processing, mostly a rectangular around a center pixels. Any size rectangle and any shape filter are possible. So for perform the neighborhood image processing, it require a specific mask or centroid value, and after getting the centroid value we have to apply the point operation methods. As you can see from this figure, to enhance the quality of this one particular pixel we have to take one mask, and for taking the average value or to improve the quality of this particular pixel we have to take a neighborhood values, or we can say that a neighborhood pixels, and with help of the neighborhood pixels we have to improve the quality of image. So in neighborhood image processing we have to deal with the neighboring pixels. Either we have to take a 4-bit mask, 3-bit mask, 5x5 mask. Different types of neighborhood method we can use according to our application and requirement. Some neighborhood operations like minimum, set the pixels value to the minimum in the neighborhood C. See, you can take any pixels or any centered values in digital image processing. Set the pixel value to the maximum in the neighborhood. If you want to take a maximum value from the pixel, then we have to apply the maximum function. For taking the minimum value from the neighbor, we have to apply the minimum function. Now for the median. The median value of a set of neighbors is the midpoint value in that, like 1, 7, 15, 18, 24. So 15 is a median value example. So we have to take values from the matrix. As you can see, the 15 is the centroid value or a median value between 18, 24 and 1 to 7. So we can take a median value using the median filter or median neighborhood operation. Sometimes the median work better than the average filter, as we can see in the practical point of view when we are dealing with the different types of noise. So to perform a neighborhood operation we have to take a mask, and mask operation is only possible with help of the neighborhood pixels. So there are the different types of methods available when we are dealing with the neighborhood image processing. The idea is to move a mask, a rectangular or other shape over the given image. So you have to start masking from left top to bottom, and you have to rotate your mask one by one, or we can say that step by step. The combination of mask and a function is called a filter. So when you're dealing with the filter, ultimately we are dealing with the neighborhood image processing, because a filter value is decided with help of the mask only, and mask is dependent on a neighborhood pixel. With help of the neighborhood pixel it improve the quality of particular pixel, or we can say that a centroid pixel. If the function is linear function, then the filter is called a linear filter. If it is non-linear function, then it's called a non-linear filter. Now we are discussed with the different types of filters. Low pass filter, low pass averaging filter, and low pass median filter. Now these are the three filters. It work with help of the neighborhood pixels only, and with help of the neighborhood pixel we try to improve the quality of image and remove the different types of noises. Now first, a low pass filter. One of the simplest spatial filtering operation we can perform is a smoothing operation. When you're dealing with smoothing operation, means we are working with a low pass filter operation. When we are dealing with a image sharpening operation, then we are dealing with the high pass filter. Simply averaging all of the pixels in a neighborhood around a centroid value. Especially useful in removing the noise from images, and also useful for highlighting gross details. As you can see, we have a simple averaging filter. It look like this. If we have to improve the quality of this particular matrix or pixel, we have to apply the 3x3 smoothing filter over here. Assume that this one is your mask and this all value are the pixel value. Then we have to apply the multiplication operation with particular 1 by 1 pixel and take an average value. So previous value is 106. Now after applying the low pass filter or applying the smoothing filter, your value will be 98.33. So you can see that for taking the average of this neighborhood pixel, we are getting the appropriate value, which is median, or we can say that a specific centroid value, which improve the quality of image. Now low pass averaging filter. If an image has a Gaussian noise present in it, we use a low pass averaging filter to eliminate it. See, there are the different types of noises available: Gaussian noise, salt and pepper noise, blurring noise, distortion noise. There are the different types of noises available. For removing a Gaussian noise from the image, we use a low pass averaging filter. The frequency response of low pass filter along with its partial response. So for applying the averaging filter, we have to take a mask like this, and this particular mask is applied in all over the image, or it apply in all over the particular image area, and try to improve the centroid value of the particular pixel. And with help of this, we try to improve the quality of image. Low pass median filter. Median filtering is a non-linear method used to removing the noise from image. It is widely used as it is very effective at removing the noise while presenting edges. Now what is edges? Edges means a boundary and corner areas which is available and present in image. There are the different types of method to detecting the edges. Like it is a part of segmentation. You definitely learn segmentation in chapter number 7 IC branch. Edges, for representing the edges, we use a segmentation method. Different methods like segmentation like Sobel, Kenny, Prewitt and Robert. So these all methods are used for detecting or extracting particular edges from the image. And for removing the noise which is available on the edges, we have to use an effective filter. There is one of the noise is present over here, or we are dealing with a salt and pepper noise. Salt and pepper noise, it's very similar noise. As you can see, it's a salt and pepper. The salt is white noise and pepper means a black noise, so it's look like a black and white dots. For removing this type of noise which is available in image, we have to use a median filter, because averaging and low pass filter cannot remove salt and pepper noise effectively. So because of that reason, we have to use a low pass median filter. The median filter works by moving through the image pixel by pixel, replacing each value with a median value of the neighboring pixels. Means we have to move a filter by filter, or we have to remove, or we have to moving your mask with pixel by pixel and replacing the median value using the neighborhood calculation. Now, how we can apply a median filter on particular image? There are the few steps. With help of this particular filter, we can remove a noise. Now, first of all, how we apply a median filter? That assume you have a 3x3 empty mask. You can take any mask like 5x5, 8x8, 16x16, any mask. Place the empty mask at left hand corner. So for the starting a masking operation, we have to take a matrix or a mask on left hand side corner position. Arrange the 9 pixel in ascending and descending order, and as per the ascending and descending order, we have to choose a specific values. Choose the median from this 9 value. We have to choose a particular pixel value from this 9 value, because you have assuming 3x3 mask, so ultimately you have a total 9 value. For taking a median value, we have to take an average value, or we have to take a specific median value. We have to choose and place this median value at the center point. As in previous slide, you already see we apply a specific methods for extracting a median values, or this particular filter is remove the different types of noises which is available when you are capturing the image from the real world. And image capturing, it is in terms of analog, but when you convert into the smart, when it capture from the smartphone, it convert into the digital manner, and we can apply the different types of filters, or we apply the different types of editing to make an image better. Move the mask in similar fashion to the averaging filter, and same way in averaging filter we apply a specific filter, or we apply in ascending and descending order, and as well as we apply in specific manner from left top to bottom, and according to that we are moving a pixel. As you can see, the median filter works by moving through the image pixel by pixel and replacing each value with the median value of neighboring pixel. So move the mask in similar fashion, same as a averaging filter. So I hope you are getting a better idea about these 3 types of filter. Fine. See, these 3 filter, we have low pass filter, averaging filter, and median filter. See, all the filters are better, but it depends on your applications and the capture image you have and which type of noise is available in filter. There are the low pass filter and high pass filter, and band pass filter is also available, but it depends on your applications and which type of noise is available in particular image. So median filter, averaging filter, and low pass filter, these all are the smoothing type of filter to improve the quality of image using neighborhood pixels or using neighborhood methods. So these all methods are useful when we are dealing with a noise. There are the different types of noises, as we already discussed, and practically we can also prove it. Fine. So in next section, or maybe after that, we are applying this all filters on particular image and try to improve the quality of image. Okay, so in neighborhood, these 3 filters explanation is over now, and if you have any doubt related to the neighborhood image processing and pro-in processing, that you can contact me. Fine, and then definitely we will try to solve it in terms of theoretical point of view or as well as practical point of view. So I hope you like this session, and for any doubt and query you can contact me. Thank you.